These brick walls, of which we've got a couple interior and exterior, well, these are signature features for this house, and the homeowners definitely wanted to save them. So we've got that interior one, but you can see we've also got them on the exterior here and a couple cutouts here for new windows, but we have some repair that needs to happen. Hey, Mark, how are you?
Hey, Kevin, how you doing?
All right. So the homeowners love the brick. You guys went to long lengths to save it and preserve it, but
right.
We got some repairs to do?
We do. So one of the biggest challenges any mason will ever have is matching materials. This project's no different.
Right.
So the brick, unfortunately, isn't made anymore. But Charlie's ahead of the game. During demo, he salvaged a pallet of brick, so we do have enough brick.
And then in terms of the mortar?
Mortar is going to be a little different beast. We do have miscellaneous repairs right here. We have the old gas line going into the wall. We have to clean that up. Charlie's bringing his siding into this jam right here. It's a little ragged, so we're going to have to make a cut, clean that up. But the most important thing we're going to have to do over here, Kevin, this is the brick sill. We're going to have to flash the window as it goes in, and then we're going to have to relay this sill brick.
Gotcha.
But as I said, the biggest challenge we have is matching that mortar. And that's in the capable hands of one of the best masons I know, Kevin.
Kevin, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Been a while.
Yeah, yes, it has.
So how did you replicate the mortar for us? What goes into that process?
First thing is achieving a mortar sample from the existing, where you want to match. So it is the mortar joint.
So you pulled this out of an existing wall.
Chiseled.
This is a little bit of mortar that would sit between two brick right there.
Absolutely.
Okay, and then once you have that, where do you go?
You first wash it, let it dry. That will give you the actual color that you have to match.
Right.
And then we'll start the process of coming up with a recipe unique to the job.
So you're trying to match just color?
Color and texture.
Ah.
So you have a mortar that's 63 years old, and the aging process is exposing the sands. The sands that they used years ago were a little bit larger than the mortar sands today.
Right.
So we introduced concrete sand, a little bit larger, to replicate the existing condition.
And what are you starting with for your mortar?
Starting with a Type S.
Gotcha.
And the reason why we use a Type S is because we're introducing additional sand, which reduces the PSI of the mortar.
Okay.
You wouldn't typically use a Type S with brick.
So you've got your sort of test kitchen over right here, if you will. You end up with, well, you got a cup here, looks like you got a recipe. And I presume that gives you that mortar profile, and you did it for what, number 2, number 4, number 7, number 10, number 12, number 14. Did you have a final recipe that you decided on?
14.
Did it really take you 14 tries?
Well, to get it as close as possible.
Okay. And then with this recipe, make as much mortar as you want, and you can patch anything?
Yep.
Beautiful. All right, well, I'll let you get back to your alchemy.
All right, Kevin, so first thing we're going to do, we'll go after this hole. We'll drill some holes. That'll weaken this a little bit. We'll get our grinder out. We'll just be delicate trying to take the rest of this stuff out. All right, so let's jump on this vertical cut right here, and that'll be it. After that, we're gonna lay some brick. All right, so that looks great, and we don't have long to work with this before it sets up. All right, Kevin, looks like we made short work of this. I appreciate it. This looks great. I think all we have to do is a wash.
Yep, that's it.
Yep, that'll bring out some of the aggregate. Other than that, I think we got a perfect match going.
Yep, it takes a little bit of time for it to
dry out.
Yep.
But then we'll be good.
Absolutely.
All right, an honor. Thanks, Kevin.
Mark. Appreciate it.
You got it.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.